5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots after midnight.
20 seconds.
Seas 1 foot or less, then around 2 feet after midnight. Wave detail, southwest
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tone out.
Showers likely after midnight. Thursday, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots, increasing to 20 to 25 knots in the afternoon.
Serves not only as a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in West Central and Southwest Florida listening area, but also as a tornado drill done in cooperation with the Florida Division of Emergency Management and your local county and emergency management offices, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is a tornado drill completed for Severe Weather Awareness Week and is only a test. Citizens are encouraged to review their tornado safety plans, confirm their ability to receive weather alerts through multiple means, including by NOAA weather radio, and practicing quickly to the safest location within a structure. The best location to shelter is often the lowest floor in a small interior room far from windows, such as a closet or bathroom. For more information, visit the National Weather Service Ruskin website at weather.gov/Tampa Bay. Also, be sure to visit floridadisasters.org, where you can learn more about Florida's weather hazards and subscribe to Alert Florida, which is a statewide notification initiative to receive emergency alerts and other public safety notifications within your community. This drill was also conducted to test the same system, or a specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. While today's test also serves as a tornado drill, regular weekly tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the tornado drill and required weekly tests. We now return to regular programming.
Your coastal waters forecast. Location, coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon brings out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Issued at 9:55 a.m. Small craft advisory in effect from Thursday morning through late Thursday night. Rest of today, 3 to 4 feet, occasionally to 5 feet. Saturday night, north winds around 10 knots, becoming northeast after midnight.
Oh, good. Bro, weather event.
Sunday, east winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northeast in the afternoon.
Oh, that one off too.
This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB32 Tampa Bay, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The tower for KHB32 is located in Riverview in Ellsboro County.
Alright, that's pretty much everything.
With programming originating
Alright, wow. There we go. Tornado Drill 2026.
The station provides
Here we go.